Anyways. Whoa.
Yeah.
Fries. Just some regular salt and vinegar fries. Well, as you know. Whoa. Definitely tastes the vinegar more this time. Not bad. You want to try?
I do.
Oh, your beer?
Beer and fries.
What's up with this? It's like, okay. Those are like all stuck together. I'm not sure what happened there. Oh.
Should have grabbed some fish and chips. Well, I guess this isn't chips. We've grabbed some battered fish.
Yeah. Now you got your lager. I think you said it was a lager.
Yeah, I've had it before.
It's
So I got a 12 ounce.
It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe we'll be back to get the pickle fries. Maybe.
Maybe.
All right.